Today I will show you how to fix Ubisoft Connect failed to synchronize cloud saves error on Ubisoft Connect. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first method would be to do some basic troubleshooting, and the first thing to do would be to verify if Ubisoft services are down by visiting the Ubisoft help homepage or official social media channel. And if it's down, they're gonna display a message that their servers are down. Now you can also restart everything, so you can fully close the game and Ubisoft Connect launcher via the task manager, and then restart your computer. Now the third thing to do under this method, under the basic troubleshooting, will be to run the game as an administrator. So if you want to run the game, you're going to right click and then you're going to run as an admin. And this is so you ensure that the game runs on proper file permission. Now the second method will be for manual resynchronization, and that involves opening up the Ubisoft application, and you're going to go to settings. On the settings, you're going to go to general, and on the general, you're going to ensure that you have this option toggled on, which says enable cloud save synchronization for supported games. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to back up our game. The default location for the games is usually programs, Ubisoft Game Launcher, and the saved games. So we're gonna back up locally. Now once we back up locally, we're gonna have to delete the original saved files for the specific game from the folder above, and then we're gonna launch and play the game for 5 to 10 minutes until an autosave occurs. So you're gonna delete it. You're gonna back it up first. You're gonna delete it, and you're gonna launch the game and play it for 5 to 10 minutes until an autosave pops up. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna exit the game, and then we're gonna go back to the settings here, and we're gonna re-enable cloud synchronization. We're gonna re-enable cloud synchronization here. Now once we launch the game again, and we are prompted to choose between local save and cloud save game, we're now going to select local save, and it will overwrite the corrupted cloud data. So we're going to choose this option, and this is going to overwrite this data. Now those are two main methods to fixing Ubisoft Connect fail to synchronize cloud save errors. And if you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one.